Hello, I have a reservation.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
My name is Sarah.
Let me check your reservation.
Is my room ready?
Yes, your room is ready.
What is my room number?
Your room number is 205.
Can I have my room key, please?
Of course, here is your key card.
Thank you. What time is check-in?
Check-in starts at 2 o'clock.
What time is check-out?
Checkout is at 11 o'clock.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included with your room.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning.
Where is the breakfast area?
It is on the first floor.
Do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi.
What is the Wi-Fi password?
The password is written on your room card holder.
Where is the elevator?
It is just around the corner.
Could you help me with my luggage?
Certainly, I will help you.
Does my room have a city view?
Yes, your room has a city view.
How can I turn on the air conditioner?
The remote control is on the table.
There is a problem with my room.
What seems to be the problem?
The air conditioner is not working.
I will send someone to check it.
Could I have some extra towels, please?
Of course, we will bring them to your room.
Thank you. Could I have 2 bottles of water, please?
Certainly, we will bring them shortly.
Do you have room service?
Yes, room service is available 24 hours.
Can I order some food to my room?
Yes, you can order from the room service menu.
Does the hotel have a restaurant?
Yes, the restaurant is on the ground floor.
Thank you so much. Could you call a taxi for me?
Of course. I will call one for you.
Is there a shopping mall nearby?
Yes, there is one about 10 minutes from here.
Could you give me the hotel address?
Of course. I can write it down for you.
Could I have a wake-up call at 7?
Certainly. We will call your room at 7.
Can I stay for one more night?
Let me check the room availability.
I would like to check out, please.
Certainly. May I have your room key?
Thank you for your help. I enjoyed my stay.
You're very welcome. Have a safe journey.